Here's the story of a really sad clown. Get up early, feeling down, I can't take no more. So lonely, why should I give it a try? Frozen, so willing to say goodbye. Keep falling in a really deep well. When I try to climb, darkness surrounds myself. Yeah, these are the story of a really sad clown. You heal me with an empty smile, an empty soul. You beat me, living dead, condemned to life. Keep falling in a really deep well. When I try to climb, darkness surrounds myself. Now I'm so alone, with no self-control, and I think there's no tomorrow anymore. Feeling like a clown, smiles but inside is down, thinking why should I try if I've already lost? Already lost. And he's at the guitar. I'm so alone, with no self-control, and I think there's no tomorrow anymore. Yeah, 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 just feeling like a clown, whose mind's but inside is down, thinking why should I try if I've already lost? Yeah, yeah. The sad clown.